Around this time last year, I didn't have this. I was praying to be around more driven and solid men. Now, I'm getting invited to cookouts with guys who are actually pushing me forward. It's crazy what can shift in a year when you stay focused and aligned. Community really is a blessing.
The rest of it, those are the soft. You can tell Verstappen thought about it. Didn't quite get his front wheels in front of Diaries as we go on board with Antonelli, getting passed by Bortoletto and entering into the cutback. Very clever, instinctive driving here. Well, actually, a bit of a late lunge, which is brave, but no sign he was out of control.
You have to do something brave to pass in Monaco. It's similar to the move that ended just bang at the start there. Well, the problem for Sonoda is now he is at the.
Could be the last time that we fall in love again.
Are you ready for a roll?
And I just can't believe the love I'm in. No, I'm never gonna stop. Never gonna stop.
I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas pay us a call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this design on my body got me dripping.
All right, good morning, team. So it's Monday, literally a week away. Today's Monday, right? Yeah. This is the week. Competition is this Saturday, weigh-in is this Friday. But I'm still trying to decide if I want this to be a gym vlog or just one of those week in the life vlogs. But I guess you'll find out as we get there. But today we got a pretty, I won't say it's busy or packed, but it's just a day. So we left our daughter with my mom. They're watching them today. They're watching her today. And then we're at the gym right now. I had to get my top set in because this week training is gonna be like singles and like just real simple accessories, lightweight to moderate. Then we got invited to like this pool barbecue thing with our friends, Jalen and Kayla. So we're just gonna take you along for that day. So let's get to it. This was a whole different group and the vibe was still right. It reminded me you don't need 100 people. You just need the right few.
Get it! Yeah, man. This is this is not Skyami. This Houston.
Houston. These are the moments I used to wish for. Being surrounded by those who challenge me, hold me accountable, and genuinely want to see each other win.
See what's going on, Sam. We got the sliders, whatever that is, rice and peas, chicken greens, iced chicken salad. Sam, we got it all tonight.
So, are you taking a picture of us?
Well, say what's up to the vlog real quick.
What's happening? VLOG. Y'all see me? It's like talking about me. Oh shit, let me. Hey, watch your mouth. Language.
Language.
That's funny.
This week, I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm 2 days out from my first ever powerlifting meet. Honestly, I'm excited, but I'm nervous too. I put in months of blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Now it's just time to lock in and execute. For me, it's not even about placing. It's about showing myself I can do this. But still, if I walk away with the medal, I won't complain. Shoot. Alright team, today's weigh-in. So yesterday I was weighing in at like 186 out of nowhere, but I think it was water weight. Went to the gym for an hour, did like an hour and 30 worth of cardio. Came home, was sitting right at 181. Got on the scale this morning, and apparently it says I'm like right under 180, like right under 180 to 180. So let's see how this goes. So I had to, you know, I gotta get the vlog, had to get the settings right. Oops. But the weigh-in was good. We made weight. I cut it like, I was like cutting it close. I was probably like 0.2, 0.3 off. Like, I was close. I think it's 82.5. And I did 82.2.
So you gained a pound throughout the night.
No, so this is kilos.
Your mama.
Yeah, so we're good. Now we're just.
Mars excited for you. Yay!
Hey, Nara, look what I got you.
Yeah, I like coffee too.
Oh, nice.
You like coffee ice cream?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. So I made weight. Now it's time to refuel and reset. Making weight, that was the hardest part. Now I'm reloading. I got my snacks, my carbs, and my breakfast. But the real prep is just being still. I don't want to move an inch. Couch time with my girlfriend and daughter, just enjoying peace. Sometimes the best performance starts with the rest.